In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop keyboard keys that stop working. If some keys on your laptop keyboard are not working, it's usually caused by software glitches, outdated drivers, dust under the keys, or incorrect keyboard settings. You might notice certain letters not typing, delayed input, or entire sections of the keyboard failing. Don't worry, I'll walk you through practical fixes you can try right away, and in most cases, just one method is enough to solve the problem. Here's how you can solve it. Method 1. Restart your laptop. First, restart your laptop completely. Temporary system glitches can cause keyboard input to stop working. This quick restart often fixes the issue without changing any settings. Method 2. Check for external keyboard conflicts. If you use an external keyboard, unplug it and test the laptop keyboard again. Some systems prioritize external input and temporarily disable the built-in keyboard. Method 3. Clean the keyboard. Turn off the laptop and gently clean the keyboard. Use compressed air to remove dust or debris stuck under the keys. Avoid using liquid cleaners directly on the keyboard. Method 4. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers. Open Device Manager. Expand Keyboards, right-click your keyboard, and select Update Driver. If updating doesn't help, uninstall the driver and restart the laptop to reinstall it automatically. Driver issues are one of the most common causes of unresponsive keys. Method 5. Check keyboard settings. Go to Settings, Accessibility Keyboard. Make sure options like sticky keys, filter keys, or slow keys are turned off. These features can make the keyboard feel unresponsive. Method 6. Test in safe mode. Boot your laptop into safe mode and test the keyboard. If it works there, a third-party app or background process is likely causing the problem. Method 7. Use an external keyboard, temporary fix. If none of the methods work, connect an external USB keyboard. This confirms whether the issue is hardware-related with the laptop keyboard itself. Important notes. Keyboard replacement may be required if all software fixes fail. And that's it. Your laptop keyboard keys should now be working properly again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick laptop fixes.